Hello guys, welcome to our new video about how to make a powerful YouTube video using ChatGPT. So let's get started. First of all, check out this YouTube channel. It has more than 1 million subscribers, and they use AI voice in their videos. So in today's video, I will give you a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to make videos like them, and how you can make thousands of dollars from YouTube through Google Ads and affiliate marketing. With my strategy, you can make millions of dollars. So watch the video till the end. So first of all, we do keyword research. You have to go to YouTube again. And here I search, how to lose belly fat. Here you will see more keywords and suggestions. You can copy all these and make a video on each keyword. And you can see how many views have come on this single keyword. Also you can see its search volume in vidIQ. There are 189,000 searches on just one keyword, and millions of people keep searching this keyword every month. Apart from this, you can see related keywords, and all keywords have good search volume. So you can make a video with every single keyword. So let's know how much money you can earn from YouTube. So go to ClickBank. Here you will find thousands of products related to weight loss, and you can see how much commission you can earn per sale. You can earn more than $150 per sale. You have to promote such products with the highest gravity score. Like this one. You can see its gravity here, which is very high. It means that people buy this product the most. Okay, to promote a product, all you have to do is click on promote, copy your affiliate link, and put it in the description of the video. Now suppose that if one of your videos gets 189,000 views, and even just 200 people buy the product from your affiliate link, and you get $149 for conversion, so you can earn up to $30,000 approximately. Only by doing affiliate marketing, which is a huge amount. So let's know how you will make a video. First of all, we copy any keywords and paste them into the ChatGPT. Now you have to write something like this here. Write a script for 10 ways to lose belly fat. Press the enter button. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate the script for you. You can make the script as long as you want. Just type here, write more. ChatGPT will again write you long script for you. Now we had to write here again. Type a YouTube intro to 10 ways to lose belly fat and hit enter again. And ChatGPT will also generate an introduction for your YouTube video. So in this way, you have to prepare the complete script, and after preparing the complete script, you have to go to Pictory. Pictory is a powerful AI video editing software that converts text to video. I will provide a software link and a discount promo code in the video description. Once you apply it, you will get a 20% instant discount. Then you can make payments via PayPal and credit card. So go to the description and grab the deal now. Okay, so now we go back to the dashboard. Now click on proceed button. You have to paste the script here. Go to ChatGPT again. First, copy the YouTube intro and paste it into the Pictory. Similarly, copy the script and paste it here. Now you have to divide the script into sentence-wise different parts. In the same way, you have to divide the entire script in this way. By doing this, you will get better results. Now click on the proceed button. After this, if you are making health videos, then you have to choose the first template, then select the template and click on continue. So as soon as you click on continue, your video will be ready in a few seconds. So this is the video editing dashboard of Pictory.ai. You can customize the video here. On the left side, you will see some tools. And below are the video clips generated from the script. Here you can add voiceover. You can also use text to speech. You can replace video clips. You can add background music and a lot more you can do here. So now let's add the voiceover first. So to add the voiceover, go to the audio button here, and you can see the background music is added by default. You can also change it. After that, you get the option of voiceover. You get the voice of both males and females. You can choose any voice. So let's listen to the voice. Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate. Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate. So I choose this voice because I like it. So just click here, and the voice will be added to the video. You can increase or decrease the speed of the voice from here. So for now, I'll increase the voice speed. Now let's preview the video. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we're dedicated to helping you achieve your health and fitness goals. Today, we're sharing 10 ways to lose belly fat. 1. So guys, you must have seen, the video has been made very professionally. And the voice is also looking very realistic. Now, if you want to replace video clips, then go to visuals. From here you can replace any video clip in this way. All you have to do is select the clip from the timeline that you want to replace. And then click on the new video, and your video will be replaced with one click. With this, if you want to make the video more powerful, you can use Mirth AI text-to-speech, using which you can generate human-like voiceovers. I will give the link in the description. So to generate voice in Mirth, first sign up for free, then go to Mirth AI Studio, and from here click on Create New Project, and here give the title of the project, select Start Blank, and click on Create Project. Now first of all add your script here. Then go to Voice Style, and here you'll find different ultra-realistic voices that you can use. So let's take a look at some of the voices. It only takes one voice. At some point in life, we have all a special formula for your feline, made with real chicken. Change. It's the only constant. So now I use this voice. Welcome to our channel, where we're dedicated to helping you achieve your health and fitness goals. Today, we're sharing 10 ways to lose belly fat. After that, you can adjust the pitch and speed from here and make the voice more realistic. You can also pause from here. After this, to apply background music in VoiceOver, go to the timeline and click on the plus icon. And from here you can set any background music, and you can also upload your own background music. After this, click on the volume icon here, and from here, increase the voiceover and reduce the background music. Now try playing the sound. Welcome to our channel, where we're dedicated to helping you achieve your health and fitness goals. Today we're sharing 10 ways to lose belly fat. See, your voice is ready. Now export the voice. Now go to Pictory again, and upload the voiceover from here. Your voiceover will auto-sync with the video. Welcome to our channel. Now go to the audio again, and remove background music from here. Now watch the video preview once again. Welcome to our channel, where we're dedicated to helping you achieve your health and fitness goals. Today we're sharing 10 ways to lose belly fat. 1. Incorporate cardio exercises into your daily routine. Perfect. So our video is complete. Now you just click on Generate, and your video will be generated in a few seconds. After generating the video, you have to go to the ClickBank marketplace, and from here you have to promote a product whose gravity score is high. Just click on Promote, generate an affiliate link of the product, and put it in the description of your YouTube video. So guys, in this way, you can make a powerful and professional-looking video within 10 minutes. And you can earn millions of dollars on YouTube from Google Ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorship. So I hope you find the video helpful. If yes, then like the video. Also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching our video.